Hello everyone, welcome to this Java crash course. In this crash course, we're going to learn Java start to end. This crash course is for everyone. If you haven't done coding yet, or if you have and now you are starting Java, then guys, this crash course is for everyone. In this crash course, we're going to learn what is Java, basic of Java, and we're going to learn Java start to finish. So we're going to finish this crash course, and guys, and the best thing about this crash course is project-based crash course. So we're going to learn Java from projects. We're going to write some program to calculate, and we're going to do many things. So guys, first of all, we're going to talk about what is programming. Then after that, then we're going to talk about Java. Then we're going to start Java crash course. So guys, this is the first part of the Java crash course. And guys, now let's go back to our computer and now let's talk about what is Java and what is programming language. So now let's get back to our computer. Here guys, we have started this crash course, and guys, now here first of all let's talk about what is programming. Before going any further, I'll tell you this crash course is for everyone. If you haven't done any coding yet, then guys, also this crash course is for you. And also if you have done coding, then also this crash course is for you. So guys, first of all, here we can talk about what is programming. And the programming language is a language to talk with computers. Here we need to understand this with an example. First, let's think how we communicate. We communicate with a language. We communicate with English or Hindi or any other language. Then guys, like this, computers communicate with programming languages. With programming language, you can create websites, apps, games, etc. So guys, if you want to build website or game or apps, then you have to learn programming languages. And guys, there are many programming languages like Java, C, C++, Python, JavaScript, etc. Java is also a programming language, and in this crash course we're going to learn Java. Now guys, now let's talk about uses of Java. Java is used for many things like app development, web development, and guys, remember Java is used for backend web development, GUI development, etc. And guys, the most popular development is app development. Java is used for app development. Then guys, Python is used for many things like web development, and JavaScript is also used for web development. JavaScript is used for both front-end and back-end web development, and guys, Python is used for back-end only. So guys, if you don't know what is front-end and back-end, then guys, we have already made a video about that topic. So guys, if you want to know, then guys, the link of that video is in the description. So guys, watch that video right now. So guys, first of all, complete this video. So guys, now let's talk about Java. Java is one of the most popular programming languages. So guys, it is second most popular programming language after Python. Python is the first programming language, and second is Java. It is used for many things like app development, web development, GUI development, etc. GUI development means graphic user interface. This means desktop app development. So guys, also you can do data structure and algorithm with Java. So guys, DSA is one of the most important topics for programmer. It is not a topic in programming language, but it is one of the important topics for programmers. So guys, if you want to be a programmer, then guys, DSA is very important for you. And guys, you can do app development with Kotlin, but Java will be best for beginners. So if you have beginners, then guys, Java will be best. Then guys, here you can see the syntax of Java package com.coding Satyam, and guys, you can name this anything. And guys, public class main, public static void main, and guys, here we're going to understand this syntax in our next video. We're going to make part 2 about syntax of Java. So guys, now that's it. So guys, here we have done all things. What is programming language? Programming language is way to talk with computer. Programming language is a language to talk with computers. Here with programming we can create website, apps, games, and we can do machine learning, and we can do AI, etc. There are many programming languages like Java, C, C++, Python, JavaScript, Go, Swift, and there are many programming languages. Java is used for many things, but Java is mostly used for app development. Java is one of the most popular programming languages. And guys, before going any further, I want to tell you, if you want to do app development, then guys, you need to have 8 GB RAM computer. And guys, also if you have 6 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM, then guys, also it's fine. So guys, here we are not talking about app development, we are talking about Java. So guys, we're not going to talk about app development in this class course. So guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. And guys, if you want to get this PDF, then guys, the link of this PDF is in the description. You can download this PDF from GitHub. So guys, now that's it. So bye bye. Then guys, please make sure to subscribe this channel. So now bye bye.